What is the crack? My name's the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to the channel. We are making our way through every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail book. And today's cocktail is the Aku Aku. The Aku Aku was created by Trader Vic and is only a subtle tweak on the Missionary's downfall, which was created by Don Beach, as known as Don the Beachcomber. Don spent some of his formative years in the Caribbean and learned from the region's bartenders. It's believed that he drew inspiration from the Missionary's downfall from Cuban bartenders who were creating elaborate variations on the daiquiri. The Aku Aku replaces honey syrup, which is used in the Missionary's downfall, with demerara syrup. Many people prefer to serve it as a blended frozen drink, but in this recipe today we're serving it straight up. Okay, in today's drink we're going to be using a slightly aged rum. Today we're using Plantation 3 Stars. And then you're also going to use a peach liqueur. Today we're using the Kuiper. To your cocktail tin, you're going to add 5 chunks of pineapple. And then we're going to muddle this, break it down, get all the juices out. We're then going to add 8 mint leaves. And this recipe calls for a full ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then we're going to go in with half an ounce of our peach liqueur. And then finally 1.5 ounces of our lightly aged rum. And to our shaker, we're going to add a small scoop of crushed ice or pebble ice. And we're going to give what is called a whip shake. So with the whip shake, we're just going to sort of shake until all the ice is melted and dissolved into the drink. This is just going to give it some good dilution and chill it at the same time. Like and subscribe, please and thank you. We're then going to double strain this into our chilled coupe glass. Garnish for this one is just a little mint sprig on top. And there you go, folks, the Aku Aku. Now, usually at this point in the show, I go, let's see what's in the glass, give it a little sip. But today, I can't because I'm allergic to pineapple. And as much as I would love to try this cocktail, because it smells amazing, I can't. But don't worry, this one's not going to go to waste. I'm going to give it to Mrs. Rusty Bartender. She will enjoy it. See you on the next one, folks. Aku Aku.